Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box, type regedit, and hit Enter.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move.
Navigate to Computer, HKUA_local_machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, Explorer.
I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the hobbies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
With Explorer selected in the left pane, right-click on the right and select New and String Value. Rename the new string settings page Visibility. Open the string and enter Hide Home as Value Data and click OK.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
Close the Registry Editor and open the Settings app.
Go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move.
The home page would have disappeared.
Girl, you are my fire. All that you desire.
Windows 11 Pro users can also use the Group Policy Editor to remove the home page from the Settings app. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog box, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter.
Dance with me.
Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, then Control Panel. Double-click on Settings page Visibility on the right. Set it to Enabled. Under Settings page Visibility options, type Hide Home. The home page would have disappeared from the Settings app. If you used the Registry Editor, then simply delete the Settings page Visibility entry you created earlier.
I don't usually go out this late at night.
And if you used the Group Policy Editor for this, then select the Not Configured option now.
But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire.